according to the reaction, what type of mechanism is there? What is the reaction? Reaction as the, when we talk about reaction, there must be reactant and substrate. Okay, so reactant and substrate, that is the, for the reaction, this is the compulsory part, and this till A plus B gives C plus D. This is the reactant we are taking, and these are the product. Okay, so what mechanics is going on in this reaction that we talked about? There is a mechanism. Get it? So in the mechanism, just we going through the first aid about the cleavage. What is the type of cleavage? Cleavage, or it will be best described as fission. Cleavage or fission is the best word. So cleavage or fission is that means a breaking of any bond. Bond, what is the sharing of electron in the terms of a chemistry, and the bond is that the relation between any two atoms or any two positions is that between bond. What is the bond between them? So bond is, that is the relation is there. And when we talked about the cleavage or fission or cleavage means there is a breaking of a bond. There is the breaking of a bond. Suppose that A and B, as in this reaction, A and B is molecule, and there is the A bonds B, and this bond is braced, and there is the shifting of electron now comes to this, and A plus plus B minus. This is A plus and this is B minus. A plus means this is the loss of electron, and this is the B minus, this is the gain of electron. Okay, so loss of electron and gain of electron, this is the work of the, work is the A plus, this is the B, work as the electrophile, and this is the work as the nucleophile. Or best to represent as the electrophile is uric acid, and this is the uric base. So uric acid and uric base, uric acid have acceptor tendency. Acceptor, and this is a donor. Donor means like all the negatively charged, species, and all the atoms which have a non-bonding electron are also present. Non-bonding electron in that molecule. Okay, so donor comes in example. Just take of example is NH3, AlCl3, or ZnCl2 we also take this. And in case of uric acid is AlCl3, and this is not AlCl2, this is NH3 and ZnCl2. And there is the uric acid AlCl3, and then next is the BF3. These molecules have a deficiency of electron. Means all the positive charge take part in the uric acids, or that are known as also as acceptor. Acceptor of, what is the acceptor? Acceptor of electron, and this is the donor of electron. Okay, get it my point. Again, I just repeat this one. Mechanism. When we talked about the mechanism, then this the mechanism is mechanics. What mechanics operate between the molecules, or in case of a chemistry, just we going or take this. And reaction. What is the reaction? Reaction when between the two reactant mutually react, which is the formation of product, that's a reactant or substrate. Just like if we take the reaction A plus B gives C plus D, both are, these are reactant and these are the product. Those participate in reaction, this is known as a reactant, and those form after the reaction, that are known as the product. And now we just talked about the bond. means bond means what is? What is the means of a relation? So relation between the atoms or between the persons is also there. We take which kind of relation, electrovalent, covalent or coordinate linkage is there. That's depend upon bond. And when bond this relation separates or cleavage or fission, this is also known as the cleavage or fission is also known as it. Okay. So bond or relation separate this AB molecule or AB two parts, two atoms is there, A and B, and just this sharing of electron, the single bond is the break, and just this arrow shows the electron transfer towards the B. Those gives us A plus and plus B minus. This is the plus is the loss of electron and B minus the gain of electron. Okay, get it? So loss of electron is electrophile and gain of electron is the nucleophile. So electrophile is the Lewis acid work cell and it is also known as acceptor. Acceptor of electron and nucleophile is the Lewis base. And this also work as the donor of electron, or all the negatively charged species also known as that is the also work as the nucleophile, and this is the all the positively charged or that have a deficiency of electron. Means the nucleophile must be there a excess of electron, and electrophile must be there is a deficiency of electron. Okay, so this we talked about later on this topic after the break. Okay, thanks.